God, oh God. Let's find a confidence interval, a 95% confidence interval, if we have a sample average of 16, a sample standard deviation of 2.6, our sample size was 10, and our alpha was 0.05. Of course, this is coming from an approximately normal distribution, but since we got small sample and we don't know our population standard deviation, then we're going to use the t-chart. When are we going to tee off? When we don't know the population standard deviation. Here we have the sample standard deviation. When we don't have that standard deviation, we're going to use a t-chart. So, sure, our degrees of freedom, all I ever had, is my sample minus 1. So that's 10 minus 1, or 9. Fine. Our alpha level, if we're going to make, let's make a whole full-blown confidence interval. Our alpha is this. So what's our alpha over 2?
0.025.
0.025, because it's the area in one tail. So now let's go get our t alpha over 2. Why? Because our confidence interval is going to be x bar and plus or minus our error, which is going to be our t alpha over 2 times s divided by the square root of n. It's the average plus and minus the margin of error. So we're looking for 0.025. All right, bam. That's that. Then we're going to go down degrees of freedom 9, fine, and we're going to see where these guys overlap. So our t alpha over 2, it's going to be that one right there, or 2.262 is our t alpha over 2. So 2.262. Then we can go back here, because now we got our t alpha over 2. Our t alpha over 2. I don't know why there's that second one there. I don't know. So then that was 2.26. 2 for our t. Now let me just take these things. I need to make some room here. This, you're gone. This, oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, yeah, make this ahead of time. That'll save time. Okay, boom. So let's go ahead and make our confidence interval. Our 95% confidence interval when we don't know our standard deviation. So we do that. That's going to be 16, boom, minus 2.262 times 2.6 divided by the square root of 10. Then S is the sample standard deviation.
Okay.
And then on the other side, we have the same thing. Little comma in between. This side's going to be plus. Wilmer, where are you?
Right here, guys. Oh, shoot. Sorry.
So what's our lower?
14.14.
14.14, so nice. And our upper?
Sorry, give me a sec.
Just go and change that sign.
Oh. Okay. I'll remember that next time. Okay. 17.86.
And that's a 95% confidence. And we use the t-distribution because we didn't know the standard deviation.